If your A+ content looks bad like this one, then you are missing a big opportunity to boost your sales. You should know that well-optimized A+ content can increase your CTR by up to 20%. Now the question is how you can improve your A+ content. Hi, this is Shahriar Hirok from Ecom Clips. Today I'm gonna show you how to revamp a terrible A+ content like this one to something like this, gorgeous and effective, that helps in conversions and sales. So let's start. If I go to the A+ section, let me explain what's wrong with this A+ content. First, they added only two modules here, this one and this one. Well, they have used more modules here. They missed a great opportunity to fully maximize the potential of their A+ content. You can add up to 7 modules, which allows you to showcase more product details, features and benefits. Maybe adding a comparison chart or more high-quality images would have made a big difference. It's all about giving customer the right information in an easy to digest way. Let's check out the first module. They added a picture with the way too much text. Chances are people will just keep reading it. No one has time to go through all that just to get the info. Text in A+ content is good for SEO, but avoid making it this heavy. They also just use a plain photo. It would have been better with the brand name, logo or some short text highlight the key features. That way it's more engaging and get the message across faster. A proper images can speak 1,000 words. So utilizing the images by putting key information helps. And in the second module, they just show different angles of their product using images, but this doesn't really help. If a buyer look at these images, they won't get any useful information. It's important to use images that actually explain the features or benefit of the product, not just different views. That way, buyer can quickly understand why this product is right for them. They didn't include a comparison chart, which is a big mistake. A comparison chart helps customer quickly see how your products stand out and compare key features. I always recommend adding one to make it easier for customer to decide without searching for details. There are a lot of things we can fix in their A+ content. I will show you what we are doing if this was our listing. So let's back to the screen. Alright, this is our A+ content. We created these banners. You can see we created 7, taking full advantage of A+ content. Now in the first module, what we want is when a buyer scroll down to A+ content, he will first see this portion. So we need to make this area impressive because the first impression is the best. Anyway, in the first banner, we place a lifestyle image so the buyer can imagine how they would use it. We also added words that describe the product. In the second banner, we include just 4 icons with 4 words. No sentence, just 4 words with icon. But the best part is you can get a lot of information just by seeing these icons. For example, the icons show the product is allergy-free, durable and machine washable. In the third banner, we provide information about sizes. We showcase that we have collection of different sizes duvet. By looking at this, buyer can quickly see that we offer various options to suit different season and preferences. This makes it easier for them to choose the right size of their needs. In the next banner, we focus on the product USP or unique selling point. For this product, we highlight what customers want, that is comfortable, screen-friendly and ultra-soft. This helps emphasize the key benefits that set the product apart. And then in the next banner, we showcase the quality of the material. We highlight why our product is best by focusing on its top features. Buyers can easily see that this duvet is of premium quality, crafted with best material and made with a soft touch. Okay, we also use images with text in that module. I will tell you why. Images are for human and text is for robots. So in this banner, we showcase 3 different perspectives of our products and we describe the product a little bit with the help of text. So that is also can rank in the SEO. And we ended up with another lifestyle image. So our overall A+ content will look like this. Now, why do we claim that our A+ content is better than this listing? Our A+ content helps buyer quickly understand the product through lifestyle images, icons for features, and banners for variations and key selling point. It provides all essential information for making a decision without the need for extensive reading. And this way, our A+ content serves its purpose. I think you get the idea, right? Now, how about improving your A+ content? If you are unsure how to make it better, seeking expert help could be a smart move. We can assist you with that. Simply email us at info@ecomclips.com with your question and concern, and we will get back to you promptly. Feel free to visit our website. I will share the link in the description. We have plenty of articles to help you grow your business, and you can also find many helpful videos on our YouTube channel. Be sure to check them out. Alright, we are wrapping up here. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. See you next time. Take care, stay safe.